Assalamualaikum students. Open your books. Page number 82. Today we have to start the new chapter, that is shadows and eclipses. G. Turn on cameras and open page 82 of your books. G students, today we have to start from chapter number 9. Okay? Shadows and eclipses. So the warm up is like you know about shadows. Try making these shadow figures on a wall. So you can make these shadow figures on a wall if you have the light off and you have some kind of a candle or some kind of a torch on. So you can make these figures on a wall. Okay, so you can start reading from. Yes, Marich, you can read from first line. We see so many things around us. Yes, Marich, unmute yourself and start reading. Okay, so we see so many things around us every day from the moment we wake up in the morning. So when we wake up in the morning, we see so many things around us. We are able to see things because light that falls on these objects bounces off and travels through space to reach our eyes. Now, how are we able to see things? Because light that falls on these objects bounces off and it reflects back through space. It travels through space to reach our eyes. So we see a thing when light from it reaches our eyes. So light from an object when enter our eyes, we are able to see an object. In other words, we are able to see an object when light from an object enter our eyes. Okay. So we have to study about this reflection light. Firstly, luminous and non-luminous objects. So what are luminous objects and non-luminous objects? Okay, there are some objects which are luminous and some objects are non-luminous. What do we mean by luminous? Means objects that produce light, that have their own light. They are called luminous bodies. Okay, and things that do not have their own light, they are called non-luminous bodies. Okay, what are the luminous objects which can have their own light, which can produce their own light? Like torch, bulb, sunlight, fire. These are all luminous objects. Okay, these are all luminous objects because they have their own light. So they are called luminous bodies. Okay, non-luminous bodies which do not give off light are known as non-luminous bodies, like leaf, stone, wooden board, moon, and earth. Now planets and moon does not have their own light. Okay, they only reflect the light from the sun. That's why we see them, like we see moon at night, because it is the sunlight that is reflected by the moon. So these are called non-luminous bodies or non-luminous objects which do not have their own light. And objects which produce their own light, they are called luminous objects. Okay, like sun, stars, fire, torch, electric bulbs, etc. Give out light. These are called luminous bodies. And objects which do not give off light are known as non-luminous bodies, like wood, stone. Now, who wants to tell me the difference between what is a luminous body and what is a non-luminous body? Yes, raise your hands. G. Raise your hands. Who wants to tell me the difference between luminous bodies and non-luminous bodies? Okay. So you have to students participate during class. So we have studied luminous and non-luminous objects. Objects that produce their own light, they are called luminous objects. Objects that do not produce their own light, they are called non-luminous objects. Now reflection of light. What do we mean by reflection of light? Reflection means that to reflect something, okay, non-luminous bodies can be seen only when light falls on them and bounces off their surface to reach our eyes. This bouncing of light is called reflection. Reflection क्या है? जिसे I have told you that moon does not have its own light, but we can see the moonlight at night. So how we can see the moonlight at night? How we are able to see the moonlight at night? Because the light from the sun is reflected by the moon. And when it is reflected by the moon, this light reaches our eyes and we are able to see the moonlight. So this bouncing of the light is called reflection. Light from the sun, it enters the moon and then it bounces off from the moon to reach our eyes. So this bouncing of light is called reflection. So we have studied now three terms. Okay. We have studied three terms: luminous objects, non-luminous objects, and reflection. So what do we mean by luminous and non-luminous objects? So we have studied that luminous objects, certain objects have their own light. Okay, have produced their own light. So these are called luminous objects, like sun, bulb, fire. These are luminous objects. Okay, and what do we mean by non-luminous objects? Certain objects that do not produce their own light. These are called non-luminous objects. So now reflection. After that we have studied reflection. Reflection means bouncing of light from a surface is called reflection. So non-luminous bodies that can be seen only when light falls on them and bounces off their surface to reach our eyes. So this bouncing off of light is called reflection. ठीक है, reflection क्या है? bouncing off of light. So now you have to underline all these terms: luminous bodies, non-luminous bodies and reflection. तीनों की definition underline करें. Underline. Certain things produce light. These bodies are called luminous bodies. Objects which do not give off light are known as non-luminous bodies. Reflection of light. Okay? Non-luminous bodies can be seen when light falls on them and bounces off their surface to reach earth. This bouncing of light is called reflection. Okay, now next topic is how light travels. So now I want to ask about luminous and non-luminous object. Then we will move to the next page. Okay. G March. You tell me luminous objects. Yes, and Manahid, you can tell me about luminous objects. Unmute yourself. Okay, so now next page open करें आप सब. Turn on your cameras. G, open next page, page number 83. That is how light travels. So how light travels? Light travels in the form of rays. Underline, light travels in the form of rays. So light travels in the form of rays. It does not need a medium to travel through. It can even travel through a vacuum. Okay, light किस तरीके से travel करती है? Rays की form. Okay, how light travels in the form of rays. So it does not need a medium to travel through. It can even travel through vacuum. कि light है वो vacuum में से भी गुजर सकती है, उसको किसी medium की ज़रूरत नहीं है. It does not need a medium to travel. Okay? और rays की form में travel करती है. जैसे आप देखो do you know लिखा हुआ है, इसको underline करते हैं. That is important. Light travels very fast. How much fast does light travel? इसकी अब हमने speed को underline करना है. It travels at a speed of about 3 lakh किलोमीटर पर सेकेंड. ठीक है, 3 लाख किलोमीटर पर सेकेंड के हिसाब से लाइट जो है वो ट्रेवल करती है. अंडरलाइन, लाइट फ्रॉम द सन टेक्स अबाउट 8 मिनट्स टू ट्रेवल 149 million kilometer from the sun to reach earth. इसको भी अंडरलाइन करें. How much time sunlight takes to reach the earth? It takes 8 minutes to travel how much distance? 149 million kilometer from the sun to reach earth. So it is very fast. Well, if you could drive non-stop to the sun at 100 km per hour, it would take you 177 years to get there. In 1 second, light can go around the earth 7 times. सीरीज का मतलब ये है कि लाइट की स्पीड इतनी ज़्यादा है कि वो 1 सेकंड में अर्थ के पूरे गिर्द घूम सकती है 7 टाइम्स. ओके, 7 टाइम्स अर्थ की ट्रैवल कर सकती है इन जस्ट 1 सेकंड. सो अब देखो, जैसे आपको ये गाड़ी नजर आ रही है ना मूव करती हुई सन की, ये ऐसे उन्होंने दिखाया कि लाइट ऐसे फास्ट है, ये रेस की फॉर्म में. ठीक है, तो वैसे उन्होंने आपको शो किया कि अगर इस तरीके से एक कार मतलब आप ट्रैवल करो सन तक, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मतलब जस्ट इमेजिन योर सेल्फ ट्रैवलिंग टूवर्ड्स सन like this. So it would take you how much time? It would take you 177 years to get there. It means we can never reach the sun. Okay, because we can never reach the sun. That is not in our limit. So now, light travels in the form of rays. अब हमें speed of light भी पता लग गई है. How much speed is of light? 3 lakh kilometer per second. It does not need a medium to travel through. It can even travel through a vacuum. Vacuum जिसमें air नहीं होती, that is called a vacuum. The light can even travel through. ओके ना, पासिंग ऑफ लाइट थ्रू ऑब्जेक्ट्स. अब हमने देखना है कि लाइट जो है वो आपको पता है ना ऑब्जेक्ट्स में से भी गुजर सकती है, जिससे विंडोज में से समटाइम्स नहीं, आई मीन से विंडोज में से भी सुबह के वक्त सूरज की रोशनी जो है वो अंदर आ रही होती है. ठीक है, द ग्लास कैन रिफ्लेक्ट द सनलाइट इनसाइड. सो ये अब हमने कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ने हैं, जैसे हम जो सन ग्लासेस पहनते हैं, ठीक है, उसमें से थोड़ी बहुत लाइट मतलब एंटर करती है अगर हमें जैसे कोई सफ़र करना है, जर्नी करनी है during the day. So and if we want to protect our eyes from the sun, so what we wear? Sunglasses. Sunglasses क्या होती है? Translucent होती है. Means they let some of the light to enter. तो ज़्यादातर लाइट उनमें से ब्लॉक हो जाती है. अब हमने इसी चीज़ को स्टडी करना है. So there are 3 kinds of substances: transparent, opaque, translucent. Okay, so firstly, transparent. Transparent objects are those objects, such substances that allow light to pass through them. जैसे ग्लास है, विंडो ग्लास है, इस तरीके से जो कि अलाउ करते हैं लाइट को कि वो उनमें से क्रॉस कर जाए. Light can cross through them, light can pass through them. They are called transparent. So light can pass through a few substances like glass and water. Light can even pass through water. Light water में से भी रिफ्लेक्ट कर जाता है. ठीक है. Substances that allow light to pass through them are called transparent substances. इसको underline कर लें. Substances that allow light to pass through them are called transparent substances. ऐसे substances क्या कहलाते हैं? Transparent substances. ठीक है? Means which allow light to pass through them, like glass, window glass. Okay. And there are many other things that also allow light to pass through them. Water है जैसे. So light cannot pass through some substances like wood है, stone है, metal है. इन चीज़ों में से light pass नहीं हो सकती, light cross नहीं होती. So light that cannot pass through some substances like wood, जैसे आपको ये piece of wood नजर आ रहा है, wood में से कभी भी light cross नहीं करेगी because it is a very thick material. Stone है, metal है. So substances that do not allow light to pass through them are called opaque substances. ऐसी substances क्या कहलाते हैं? Opaque. Now some substances allow only a little light to pass through them. Such substances are called translucent substances. जैसे sunglasses है, वो क्या है? Translucent है. उसमें से थोड़ी बहुत लाइट क्रॉस कर सकती है, जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बता दिया, और ज़्यादातर नहीं गुजर सकती. सो थिन पेपर हो गया. अक्सर आप मतलब स्कूल में आप काम कर रहे होते हैं, सनलाइट क्लासरूम में आज फॉल कर रही होती है विंडो के जरिए, और आपके पेपर पे भी हल्की हल्की रोशनी आ रही है. तो वो ये है कि पेपर से ज़्यादा क्रॉस तो नहीं होती लाइट बिकॉज it is a translucent, but some of the light can pass through the paper. So thick paper, thin paper, dark glasses and water with particles of various substances are exempt. यानी पानी भी ऐसे, जैसे अगर वैसे वाटर ट्रांसपेरेंट है, लेकिन अगर वाटर में कई सब्सटेंसेस ऐड हुए हैं, मतलब डिफरेंट कलर का वाटर है, तो ये जूस टाइप है, तो फिर उसमें वो क्या हो जाएगा? ट्रांसलूसेंट हो जाएगा. So these are the 3 types of substances. Okay. अब आप देखो ये सब definitions है. अभी से जब से हमने चैप्टर स्टार्ट किया, we are all studying definitions. अभी तक कोई प्रॉपर कोई टॉपिक नहीं है, ये सब definitions है, ये सब अंडरस्टैंडिंग है. ठीक है, क्योंकि इन सबसे ही क्वेश्चन है, तो आपने ये अच्छे से जो है ये definitions वगैरह लर्न करनी है. Okay, you have to learn these definitions: luminous की, non-luminous की, transparent की, opaque की, translucent की. Okay. So again, I want to tell you one more time, what do we mean by transparent objects? Your substances that allow light to pass through them, they're called transparent. सबसे best example कौन सी है? Window or glass. Obviously, window is also made up of glass. So glass is a transparent substance. Opaque substance that light that cannot pass through some substances like wood hai, stone hai, metal hai. Such substances that do not allow light to pass through them, they are called opaque substances. ये क्या कहलाते हैं? Opaque substances. Okay, and there are some substances that allow only a little light to pass through them. Such substances are called translucent substances. ऐसे substances क्या कहलाते हैं? Translucent, that allow only a little light to pass through them. So in paper है, dark glasses है, and water with particles. तो ये सब क्या है? Translucent. ओके, नाउ लाइट ट्रेवल्स इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. ऊपर हमने एक बात की थी जब हमने स्टार्ट किया टॉपिक हाउ लाइट ट्रेवल्स. तो लाइट ट्रेवल्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रेज, हमने ये पढ़ लिया. ओके, लाइट ट्रेवल्स इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. लाइट कैसे ट्रेवल करती है? एक स्ट्रेट लाइन में ट्रेवल. लाइट रेज ट्रेवल इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. When you switch on a torch in darkness, the light appears to travel straight ahead. देखो, आप अगर स्विच ऑन कर रहे हो टॉर्च, डार्कनेस में भी अगर आप समटाइम्स देखो तो आपको उसकी में से जैसे शुआएं होती है ना, इस तरीके से वो रेज नजर आती है शुआओं की तरह कि वो उसमें से निकल के एक डायरेक्शन में जा रही है और एक जगह पे फॉल कर रही है. ठीक है, जिस डायरेक्शन में आप टॉर्च मूव करोगे वो उसी डायरेक्शन में फॉल करेगी. सो लाइट रेज ट्रेवल इन अ स्ट्रेट डायरेक्शन. When you switch on a torch in a darkness, the light appears to travel straight ahead. Light उसमें से straight travel करती है, जिससे आपको ये टॉर्च में से नजर आ रहा है. Similarly, when sunlight filters through a small hole into a dark room, जैसे अगर सुबह के वक्त अगर मतलब यही थोड़े से पर्दे हटे हैं और मतलब सनलाइट उसमें से एक जो है वो विंडो से आ रही है, तो आपको नजर आता होगा कि वो अगर बेड पे फॉल कर रही है या जहाँ भी वो जिस भी पार्ट पे फॉल कर रही है, तो वो बिल्कुल एक स्ट्रेट लाइन में आती है. ठीक है, स्ट्रेट लाइन में आती है. सो इट अपीयर्स टू ट्रेवल इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. हमेशा वो भी स्ट्रेट लाइन में ही ट्रेवल करती है. We can verify the straight line of motion of a light with the help of a simple activity. अब उन्होंने कहा कि हम इसी चीज को प्रूव कर सकते हैं with a simple activity which we will study in the next class. So for today, now I repeat once again all the definitions, ठीक है, and then I will ask you. So luminous objects and non-luminous objects, the first thing which we have studied, luminous bodies or non-luminous bodies, या luminous objects or non-luminous objects, such objects or such bodies that can produce their own light, they are called luminous objects or luminous bodies. And objects like इसमें examples हैं, bulb है, torch है, fire है, sunlight है. Okay, these are all luminous objects. And objects which do not give off light are known as non-luminous bodies, like wood hai, stone hai, leaf hai, earth hai, moon hai. These are all examples of non-luminous bodies. Reflection हमने क्या पढ़ी? Bouncing of light from a something, and when like from moon, like moonlight. ठीक है, अब जैसे मून पे आपको पता है कौन सी लाइट फॉल कर रही है? So that light, when it enters the moon, it is reflected by the moon to reach our eyes, and then we are able to see the moonlight. So this bouncing of light is called reflection. Reflection क्या है? Bouncing off of light is called reflection. Okay, and non-luminous bodies can be seen only when light falls on them. So, and bounces off their surface to reach our eyes. So light bounces off non-luminous bodies and reaches our eyes so that we can see them. This bouncing off of light is called reflection. Then we have studied how light travels. Light travels in a straight line in the form of rays. And there are such substances that allow light to pass through them. There are substances that do not allow. light to pass through them. Okay, and there are substances that allow little light to pass. So such substances which allow light to pass through them, they are called transparent. Such substances which do not allow light to pass through them, they are called opaque. And such substances which allow little light to pass through them, they are called translucent. So these are the examples of transparent, opaque, and a translucent object. So light travels in a straight line. They are telling you that light rays travel in a straight line. Like if you turn on a torch, you see that the rays are going in a straight direction, or the rays of the sunlight coming into a room are falling in a straight direction. So now we will study the next topic, that is shadow, in the next class. So now I'm going to ask question answers from you. Okay. So you have to tell me the answers to that, because so read once, just read it once, and then I will ask you. G marriage. Unmute yourself. G. So tell me what are luminous and non-luminous objects. Yes, marriage. Unmute yourself. Yes, marriage. Now, students, it's time for you to participate. How will I know that you have understood or not if you are not going to tell me anything? Have you done question answers of chapter number 7? G. What are luminous and non-luminous objects? Unmute yourself and tell me. G. Unmute yourself and tell me what you have studied in today's class. G. We have studied about luminous and non-luminous objects. That these are the objects that have their own light, and non-luminous objects that do not produce their own light. These are called non-luminous objects. And also reflection of light, that bouncing of a light from a surface, yeah, from an object is called reflection. Yes. G, now tell me luminous and non-luminous objects. Mute yourself. Okay, we have also studied passage of light through objects, like we have studied transparent objects, opaque objects, and translucent objects. So transparent objects, there are substances that allow light to pass through them. These are called transparent objects. Okay, there is a difference between luminous and transparent. Luminous are those which produce their own light. Okay, which produce their own light. This is sun. सन प्रोड्यूसेस इट्स ओन लाइट, सो हम उसे ल्यूमिनस कहेंगे, ट्रांसपेरेंट की सेंस में नहीं बोलेंगे, हम उसे ल्यूमिनस बोलेंगे. ट्रांसपेरेंट क्या है? विच अलाउ लाइट टू पास थ्रू देम, जैसे ग्लास है, ठीक है, वाटर है, दीज आर ट्रांसपेरेंट सब्सटेंस. ओके, अब फिर जैसे उसके बाद ओपेक है. Opaque means that light cannot pass through some materials. These are called opaque. Like piece of wood है, stone है, metal है, these are called opaque. Okay? लेकिन हम इन्हें नॉन ल्यूमिनस नहीं कह सकते. So there is a difference between these. ठीक है, तो आपने इनको अच्छे से जो है वो पढ़ना है घर पे. आपका होमवर्क जो है यही है, यू हैव टू रीड these two pages, page number 82 and page number 83 as your homework. You have to do the reading of these two pages. Okay, and translucent means that there are some substances that allow only a little light to pass through them. Such substances are called translucent. जैसे thin paper है, dark glasses है, water with particles है. So these are called translucent substances. फिर हमने पढ़ा light travels in a straight line. Light कैसे travel कर रही है? Straight line में travel कर रही है. And light travels in the form of rays. फिर हमने ये सब अब ये MCQs हो गए. Light travels in the form of rays. It does not need a medium to travel through. It can even travel through a vacuum. तो ये आपकी blanks हो गई है. You can also now you can tell me. Yes, we was come late. You can tell me about what do we mean by transparent and opaque substances.